Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm making chicken lau mein. Myself and my co-workers, we made a yummy and delicious chicken lau mein for a function, you guys. So, I hope you enjoy this video. It's just an easy recipe, it's nothing too major. Just the basics, y'all, okay? Everyone make chicken lau mein in their own special way. This is just one quick way we did it. So, I hope you enjoy. I just want to say welcome to all my new subscribers and followers. I appreciate you guys so much. If it wasn't for you, my YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram will not be what it is. So thank you guys so much. So we decided to first saute all vegetables to give this lau mein a nice and flavorful taste. Okay, so we added onions, cabbage, carrots, garlic. We also added sweet peppers, scallions, soy sauce, give it a nice flavor. In some, you might find sesame oil, you might find oyster sauce, and lau mein seasonings and different things. We also added some garlic powder, paprika, and different seasonings to give it a nice little taste. Here we also added some vegetables like green peas, carrots, and green beans, y'all. Like I said earlier, everyone make it differently. So every ingredient you might find something different. This is just one way we made it. So it was really good. It was nice. Not too bad. Okay, y'all. So sorry about my voice. It's a little bit cracky. So yeah, we sauteed all the vegetables. We boiled. We also had some frozen noodles that we boiled to add to this. Later on, we also added some Larry's seasoning. We didn't add any salt. Every seasoning has salt already. Plus, we added chicken, so the chicken is already salted. And then we added soy sauce. Soy sauce is also salted, so no need to add any salt at all to this dish. Yeah, so we cook up a storm for function. So, yeah, function at our school. So we did that. It was a lot of work. You see us, we slice and dice and cut, and it was a nice evening with us. We had fun. Shout out to my co-workers. Yeah, these are where we added some green peppers and some red peppers. So, to make it nice and colorful too. To me, lau mein need a lot of color, Gotta add some stuff to make it look nice and pretty, enticing to the palate. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we stir and we saute and we incorporate all ingredients together to make it yummy. So this is where we add the cooked noodles. Yes, we already boiled our noodles, and we also added some flavor to the noodles. Like, you add a little soy sauce, whatever you want to put. Some people, like I said, they add sesame oil. Some add soy sauce. This is sesame oil. No, this is soy sauce, sorry. We added, and it also give it a nice color too. So, yeah. Soy sauce add a little flavor, and it also add color to your noodles, to your special dish. Okay, so this is where we mixing in the soy sauce so it can be incorporated within every strand of noodle, y'all. And we also added scallion, you know, and we added in all the vegetables that we cooked so it can also have that nice taste along with the noodles, so everything can be nice and mixed in together. So see how beautiful it looking. We also added the cooked chicken, and that's it. Thank you.